you want to do a pager. This is what I mean by a pager. You know, in some websites, okay, we don't need this. Okay, what again? That's all. You know, in some website you have previous, you have next, and all that. So how can you now achieve that in Bootstrap? It's simple. Put UL class pager. That's all. Your airline. So let me put a link there so that it will direct you to previous place. Previous. Now the first one, copy and paste. This one should be next. Close it. Close your UL. Yeah, let's check it out. Wow, you can see we have previous and we have next. And to align, uh, previous supposed to come here, next supposed to come here. You can now do it like this. Just add class here that previous. Emphasize that this is previous. Emphasize that this is next. You can see it goes to their position. So this is a simple way to do a pager. A pager. Okay, now let's do a list. Maybe you want to list an item, or how you go about it to list an item. That is very, very simple. This like this UL, it's normally UL we normally use to list item. Class list, but you want to group the list, so call it list group. So the first one, let's say first list, give it a class called list group. Yes, list group, but it is the item, list group item. That's the first one. Let me copy second, third. So let's just put second list, third list. That's all. Refresh. Wow, you can see how it lists your items. Okay, but what if you want to add badge? Maybe you want to count the number of first list, you want to count the number of second list. Just put space, span. You see, put 5 and class badge. So let me copy this place. I want to use it again here. I want to use it again here. Maybe this one should be changed to 50. This should be changed to so let's see how it will look like. Wow, you can see. So that is a simple way. This one looks like maybe messaging platform where you can see your number of message, the number of group you are, and all that thing. Okay, so and it means if you want to add link to all this, I didn't add link. If you want to add link, then just inside that your airline, that's where you now put your link. Each row, no place. Put all everything here, then close that your A. That's where you add link. You see. But if you check that my badge goes to that side, then it means you take your badge outside that link, put it outside the link. You can see it's perfectly okay. Okay, now how you now specify the active link? The active, in fact, let me change everything to, let me add link to them. Yes, yes. Third one, href, take me to nowhere. So to now specify that this one is active, you can inside the list group item put active. You can see that this one is active. You see, this one is active. So you let's assume there is no link here. Let's assume there is no link. Okay, it's active, and When I put link, then this thing goes down. It means you are going to use your CSS to style your link, make it text white. The color of the text should be white. So you say that is simple. Okay, to make it disabled, just type disabled. You can see. So that means I can't click on it. So a simple way to make it disabled with that. Okay, sometimes we have list and sub list. Yeah, we have maybe list and sub list. So what are you going to do is this. Let me use only that first list as example. So inside this your list group item, hmm, you are going to add, let me put heading. Heading, we have heading and sub heading. You may want to add each for put class list group item heading. So let me call it first list group heading. That's for each for. So you're now going to have your subheading using p paragraph class list group item heading, but this one had item text. So welcome to this episode. It's so let's run this and see how it looks like. Wow. So you can see we have the heading and we have the subheading here. So if you want to make this place to be active, come to this page and add active. Wow. So that's how to do heading and subheading in Bootstrap list group. Okay, without wasting time, let's quickly move on to panel. And what's in the panel? In panel, we have header, body, and footer. So let's quickly do a simple example on panel. So this is how panel works. Let's delete all this. Okay, panel work like this. Div class panel. Okay, so let's just do body, no header now. So put panel body. So let me be a simple panel example. Let's run it. Hmm, it has background. Yes, it has background. That is simple panel. So if you now want to have header, just put it on top here before that body. Put it on top. Div class panel uh heading. No, just put panel heading, simple panel heading. So let panel heading. That's the simple way to add panel heading. See, so panel heading and we have panel body and we have panel body. So we still have panel footer. You can just copy this one now and put panel footer. This panel footer. Okay, so in this panel here, let me change the panel to panel primary. Yes, we have panel primary, panel success, panel info, the way we normally have buttons. Yeah, so this is panel primary. the panel success.